Hey guys, Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing this resale condo here in Fort Myers. It's Oxfordshire, Unit 103. Let's run inside and take a look. So as you come inside the unit, directly to the left is the entry to the kitchen. This unit has been rehabbed here, so you have new appliances, stainless appliances, new kitchen cabinets here, the white shaker cabinets. You've got this granite countertops and backsplash. The flooring has also been replaced as well, so you have a nice plank tile flooring throughout all the main areas. Right here at the pantry, you have California style pantry set up there. And then this opens up into the nice great room area here. But first, to the right side, we're going to look at the guest bedroom here. So guest bedroom towards the front here also has the same plank tile flooring. And then you've got the bifold style closets with the California style set up there as well. And right off the guest here, you have the guest bath. So you've got the white shaker cabinets, same countertop as you see in the kitchen there. Then you've got your commode, nice little storage cabinet. And then your tub and shower combo here with the glass sliding doors, which is really nice, and tile all the way up. Then you also have the indoor laundry space here with full-size washer and dryer set up, additional cabinetry right above. You do have a nice little pocket door right here, so you can close that, which is really nice. And then here you've got the main area here, the living room. Right here is your master. So the master bedroom, really nice size. You got about 1,300 square foot in this condo. So really nice size master, again, with the plank tile floor. And then you also have sliders leading out to your lanai space. Here's the master bath. So you got the dual sinks. Again, the white shaker cabinets and the same granite countertop that you encountered in the kitchen. Tile throughout here. Your master closet has the same plank tile flooring as the rest of the home in the California style setup here. And then here you have the commode as well as the shower with the glass doors. You've got the pebble flooring there, tile all the way up, really nicely done here. And then last but not least, we have the external space here. So the lanai has been tiled, which is really nice. Your view is right over the community pool here. And a nice feature here is also that the sliding glass door is a pocketing sliding glass door. So this opens up really nicely here. All right, so if you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.